are in beautiful Astoria, where Kindergarten Cup was filmed. As you can see here, over there is the school right there. How many of you guys were born on Astoria? Come on, raise your hands. And how many of you were born outside of Astoria, somewhere like maybe outside of California? Raise your hands.
We stayed at KL11 and it is located right there in the middle, and it is a beautiful deluxe cabin that kind of reminded us of our travel trailer, but it's not, but it really reminded us. I love how it has a campfire with 2 benches, and we did get this wood at a place nearby, not really here, but yeah. And it also has a swing. This is so cute. I love this swing. I really like how the cabins has a paved driveway to park our car and to store our bikes, because we definitely brought our bikes, as you can see there. Now I'm gonna show you guys the inside of the cabin. One thing I want to mention, I wish it has a shoe rack, because this takes up so much room. Not really, but it does. But this is how it looks like. You got the dining room there, the kitchen right here, and it has a clock that doesn't really work, but I just want to show you guys this marinating bowls, because I definitely needed that. I brought some chicken thighs and there's no cutting boards or anything, so I definitely needed that bowl to marinate it. And then I washed it and I put it back in a Ziploc bag and then let it sit there for a few hours before grilling. And I gotta appreciate the fridge, because if I didn't have a fridge, I don't know how to feed my family. Truth be told, I am not a camper, I am a glamper. The deluxe cabins are the only ones that has the kitchen in it, so if you are just like me, you will love this one, even though it's more costly, but you know, it's worth it once a year at least. And as you can see there is a drying rack, so everything can dry neatly. The deluxe cabin does come with coffee, like 2 packs of this and a whole bunch of packaged sugar and a creamer. But the thing is, this coffee is not good. It is so light. So I went to Walmart like 10 minutes away from here and I got my own coffee. This is extra bold medium. And I also got some coffee filters and my own creamer, but this is way better. But if you don't mind a very light tasting coffee that pretty much tastes like water coffee, you'll probably be okay with that. There is also a toaster, which is awesome. We can toast our bagels. Don't forget your cream cheese, and also some ideas for fast breakfast are frozen waffles, some toast, and you can make your own eggs. But yeah, I got my bagel and my coffee and I am set. Onion bagels are so good. By the way, if you are a rice person, don't forget to bring your rice cooker, because you are gonna need that. Eat that chicken thigh with some rice. The kitchen does come with a stovetop with 2 burners, and here I am steaming some bulgogi mandu frozen ones that I got from Costco. It is so bomb. And here is my husband making another tuna sandwich because he's hungry. And I want to mention wine glasses. Ooh, yeah, give me that wine. Seriously, there's like 8 of them. Dang. Anyways, I'm about to drink some wine here. So this is from the Halembe. Actually, no, it's not. It's from Walmart, because this is actually the Josh brand and it is Cabernet Sauvignon. Ooh, I love this wine. So good.
Thank you.
And here is that dining table that seats 4, and there is a TV. Oh yeah, it does come with a broom, so you can clean up your mess, or you know, your kids' mess actually. And that is the kitchen. By the way, don't worry about freezing to death or getting hot, because it comes with this. Yes, this couch is pretty awesome. This also doubles as a bed if you are going here with a bunch of people. This cabin sleeps 8, by the way, but we just use this as a hangout and watching some movies on our iPads. There is Wi-Fi here for you to use, and it works pretty good during the day, but as it goes to late at night, it kind of tapers off. So I would suggest you download some movies if you and hubby want to have a late night, if you know what I mean. Netflix and chill. What? Let's talk about the main bedroom, which is behind this couch and under the loft. This is the main bedroom, which is for mommy and daddy. There is also a TV here in the bedroom, and it only has like basic cable. But honestly, we just watch some movies on Netflix on our iPads, you know. This is a very nice bedroom, and I love how it has a mirror. You need that, right? This is how I organize my stuff. It does come with extra 2 sheets and an extra blanket. They do provide hangers for you to hang up your clothes, but I would also suggest you get some easy packing cubes for your extra stuff. And then you've got 2 extra storage areas right here. Beside the mirror, there are 2 hooks for you to hang up your blanket sweaters. Trust me, you're gonna need that. And that is all for that bedroom. Let's move on to the loft. So the loft is pretty cool. It's like a little play area, sleeping area, just a fun area for the kids, period. It kind of reminds me like an indoor tree house, which is pretty cool because you can't really stand up straight in there unless you're short like my little one. Anyways, you go up there with this ladder stair type thing. It's pretty high, but it's all good. There are 2 mattresses up here, and it's like faux leather. I don't know what it is, but you don't have to worry about bed bugs. And this is how it looks like during the nighttime. Next, a bedroom is downstairs next to the bathroom. It is bunk beds, and as you can see here, our little 2 youngins have set up their stuff, and it does come with a blanket, 2 sheets, and a pillow. Okay, now let's move on to the bathroom. Full bathroom with towels covered in saran wrap so you know it's clean and they have washed it. So I brought my own shampoo and body wash, but literally it comes with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So if you love those, don't worry about bringing your own. Toilet paper, towels, more towels, and a bunch of our stuff that looks messy. Oh, and it comes with a hairdryer as well.
Here we are in Astoria, KOA. Got some tuna salad sandwich here for the man who's about to come in here right now.
I was holding my wine glass like this, and
What's
then
wrong with
he's
that?
holding his wine glass.
It's my scepter.
How do you guys hold your wine glass? Like this? Like this? Or like this? Oh, it's burnt.
It's not burnt.
Not too hard, though. It's gonna fall over it. Fart doodle. That's lifting.
Fart doodle.